Hello there, friend. Today we're going to talk about what not to do when wholesaling houses. All right, welcome. Jerry Norton here, and I'm excited to have you on today's episode of Real Estate Freedom TV. And of course, in this channel, on these episodes, we talk all about how to gain freedom, true freedom, live your ideal dream life and use real estate as the means to do that, to get there. And so when it comes to real estate and making money in real estate, when it comes to flipping houses specifically, one of those strategies is wholesaling houses. And one of the things I want to talk to you about is what not to do when wholesaling houses. And what I found in my experience is that there's one mistake that people make that's kind of the biggest mistake they make when it comes to wholesaling houses. And so when you think about it, there's kind of two sides to wholesaling, right? There's getting deals, and then there's finding cash buyers. And the cash buyers are the people that we're going to flip our deals to. And those cash buyers, it's important that you build what we call a cash buyer list. It's a list of cash buyers. The bigger your list and the more people you have to take your deals to, the easier and the faster and the more money you can make wholesaling houses, right? Well, the mistake that people make is they focus on the cash buyer list first instead of the deals first, right? So what I'm talking about is, I don't want to get a deal until I first have a buyer, that'll buy that deal. So rather than go look for deals, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna focus on building my cash buyer list. I'm gonna network, I'm gonna find all the investors in my area, I'm gonna get their names and phone numbers, I'm gonna find out what kinds of deals they like and so on. And I'm gonna build up this list. And then once I have that list, when that day arrives where I've got a list of cash buyers, then I'll start going and looking for deals. And I actually think you don't even worry about the list. Don't even worry about having a single cash buyer on that list. Don't focus on that at all, not one bit. In the beginning, it'll build itself over time naturally. Instead, focus on finding deals. Here's the thing. When you find a good deal, it solves all your other problems. It's easy to find a cash buyer. Okay, it's easy to find the cash buyer, and the reason why is because investors are looking for deals. All investors out there are looking for deals, especially in today's market where values are appreciating, and so cash buyers are always looking for deals. So if you have a deal, taking it to cash buyers, finding those cash buyers, I'm going to share several strategies on this channel with ways that you can find those cash buyers, and you can watch some previous videos on the channel where I talk about that. But what I want to tell you is, as you get started in wholesaling real estate, put your energy, put 90% of your focus on deal finding. And as you get a deal, once you get the contract on a good deal, then finding a cash buyer to buy that deal is the easy part. This is Jerry Norton, and I'll see you next time.